What's up, guys? Your boy Sick FK8 here. Know it's been a while. It's been a crazy little winter. Too cold to work on the car. But today, it's a beautiful day. Gorgeous outside, 70 degrees. I had to take the opportunity to work on the car and bring you guys another video. So today, what I'm going to attempt is to install the 27.1 rear bracket mount for the FK8. It's right here. I bought this back when they were doing their Black Friday sale. Forget exactly how much I paid, but I know they had it at a discounted price. And this thing looks beautiful. It's very well made. And from what I've read and stuff, it's going to help out with keeping the wheel hop to a minimum. So you could keep those tires on the ground, more traction, better speed. See what happens, you know. So I'm going to attempt to put this. I already have the car lifted up, so you guys can see. I took out the panel on the bottom. So I'm going to attempt to remove the stock mount that it comes with and put this back in the box. So that's what we're going to do for today. So I'm going to take out the other one and then attempt to put this on today. So we'll see you guys in a sec. All right, guys, so this is the mount that needs to come off to be replaced by the 27.1. I already got this side loose, so you can see, and I took it down a little bit. Now I got to get to this. I'm pretty sure the right way to do this is all this plastic thing needs to come on so you can get to that bolt easy. But I'm being lazy. I'm going to try to squeeze in this ratchet side that I just got from AutoZone. I believe it's a size 19. It's a size 19. So hopefully I got the right size. I'm going to attempt to put it in there and loosen that up and then be able to remove this mount. So let me see. I'm going to attempt to put this on a tripod so you guys can see the process. If not, I'll just cut to the scene after I take it out. All right, guys, so that was a little bit more difficult than I thought. It was not a 19. I'm not sure what bit size it really is. It might be an 18, but I had something there that said 3 inches on it, and I was able to take it out with that. But here's the stock one that comes from Honda itself. So we're gonna compare that to the 27.1. So that's the comparison. So this is gonna be a lot better. So I can't wait to see the difference of how it rides and everything. Hearing reviews and stuff like that, they said that there is a lot of vibration after you put this on. It gets a little bit better after you break it in a little bit, but the vibration still will be there. I really don't care too much about that. I've had cars that vibrate like crazy from crazy builds that I've done. I actually have an EK that I'm gonna start working on soon too. So that's gonna be another like crazy build. So it's just, I'm used to it. So hopefully the vibration is not too bad because I do daily drive this type R. But we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna put this part on and then I'll get back to you guys once it's on the actual car. And then we're gonna put everything back and see how it feels. The cool thing about this that 27.1 did that I think is pretty cool, it tells you the amount of pounds that you need to torque these. So that's very important, guys. When you guys put pieces like this, especially mounts, make sure you torque it to the right spec because you don't want this coming out loose while you're driving. That's gonna start a whole bunch of issues, a whole bunch of trouble. So do it right the first time so you don't have no issues in the future. So let me put this on and I'll get back to you guys. All right, guys, that was a lot harder than I thought, but I finally put it on. It took me a couple hours because it's actually a really tight fit to put that in. So I kind of had to mess with it as much as possible. I put a rag on this side and I did have to use a hammer a little bit, so you can see a little bit of damage there, but I don't think it's gonna mess up the integrity of the mount. But it's finally on. So now I'm gonna put the the plastic cover back on, I did have to remove some of the clips and stuff in order to work better. So I'm gonna put that back on, and then I'm gonna put the metal plate back on, the little pan that goes on the bottom here. And then I'm gonna turn on the car and see how it feels, see how the vibration is. And then I'll go around the block and do a little test drive. But let's see how it goes. All right, guys, car's back on the floor. Everything is put back together. She's looking good. So we're gonna do the first initial startup. See how it feels. Yeah, you could definitely feel the vibration a little bit more. But it's not crazy bad, and it's a cold startup as well. So it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Put this music down so I don't get copyrighted. So it's not as bad as I thought it would be. So in a sec here, we're gonna go for a test drive. I'm gonna let the car warm up a little bit. All right, guys, here goes the test drive. Let's see how this motor mount feels. You could definitely feel it shake a little more. Feels nice though. I'll take it nice and slow for now. Then I'll get on the highway and hit it a little bit. Oh yeah, you could definitely feel the shaking more. You could hear it more. But it's supposed to get better as you break it in. Let's see how it goes. I'll do a review maybe a month from now to see how the vibration got lower or if it's the same. So we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, I'm gonna get on this main road right here, and I'm gonna hit it a little bit just to see how it feels, see if it does get more traction. I will advise you guys that my tires are almost bald, so I don't know how good this is gonna be, but let's see. So yeah, guys, definitely an improvement. Wow, I did not think it was gonna make that much of a difference. And that's with bald tires. I can only imagine how this car is gonna feel when I have a fresh set of tires on it. So 27.1, you got a thumbs up from me. Great motor mount. So this is gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna drive around a little more, break it in a little bit, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Yo, look, yeah. So take me somewhere cool, places only we know. Gotta get my time before she call up Tarantino and end up in the theater.